Goal setting. Setting achievable goals is key to success. Hello, and welcome to this video about goal setting. In this video, we'll discuss how setting achievable goals is key to success. Setting goals is an important part of achieving success. By setting goals, you give yourself a target to aim for, which can help you stay focused and motivated. However, it's important to set achievable goals. If you set goals that are too difficult or unrealistic, you're setting yourself up for failure. On the other hand, if you set goals that are too easy, you might not challenge yourself enough and miss out on opportunities for growth. To set achievable goals, start by thinking about what you want to achieve. Be specific about what you want to accomplish and set a deadline for yourself. This will help you stay focused and motivated. Next, break down your goal into smaller, more manageable tasks. This will make it easier for you to track your progress and stay on track. Finally, remember to celebrate your successes along the way. Celebrating your achievements can help keep you motivated and focused on your goals. It's also important to learn from your failures. If you don't achieve a goal, take the time to reflect on what went wrong and how you can improve in the future. In conclusion, setting achievable goals is key to success. By setting specific, measurable goals and breaking them down into smaller tasks, you can stay focused and motivated on your path towards success. Remember to celebrate your successes and learn from your failures, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your goals.